Howdy folks, we're live at 10:28, battling for Todd's Trilogo Wicket, I believe. Yeah, there he is. I got 100 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. There they are. Copy them here. Paste them here. There's 100 of them. As we scroll back up to the top, I'm going to roll the dice here, see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get a 5 or better. Got a 10 there, so we're good to go. Good luck, guys. Nice looking figure. Mark takes round 1. Trey 2. Steve 3. Mark takes round 4. Nick 5. Steve 6. Jay 7. Steve on top in round 8. Marcus takes our next to last round, round 9, bringing us to the final round. Here we go, folks. Good luck. And our winner is Steve, in at number 58. Congrats, Steve. Here's the verification code as we come down to the bottom. VIVFWT. Steve, in at number 58, is the champ of the Trilogo Wicket. And I'm done at 10:29. Again, here it is. Steven at number 58. Congrats. See you guys. Thanks.